Hey there! Ever wondered how to create a thumbnail that makes your YouTube video irresistible? Let's find out together in 5 easy steps. Step 1, hop into Canva and choose YouTube thumbnail. It's the perfect starting point to make your video stand out. Step 2, let's pick a good, engaging YouTube thumbnail template. Whether it's vibrant, minimalist, or something in between, it sets the stage for your message. Step 3, then bring in graphics or images. These visuals should support your message, not overwhelm it. Think simple but effective. Step 4, once you're happy with your YouTube thumbnail edits, export it. You can either choose JPG or PNG format. Step 5, and there you go, a standout thumbnail in under a minute. Upload it to your YouTube video and start getting more noticed and views to your video. That's it. You now have an engaging YouTube thumbnail in 5 easy steps. If you're keen on more straightforward AI tools and tips, don't forget to follow. Together, we'll explore more ways to make your digital presence shine.